Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I have a new video today and I'm going to be showing you guys my new trim and cut. I honestly cut off quite a bit of hair and I just wanted to because I could tell I needed a trim. Now everyone asks me how often should you get a trim and when do you know that you need a trim, and for me I just get a trim as often as I feel my hair needs it. So if I feel like my ends are super dry and the products that normally make my hair turn out bomb aren't really moisturizing my hair, or my ends are just always shedding everywhere, you know, those little pieces of dead ends that are always shedding. Also, a big indicator that I need a trim is when no matter how much I deep condition, no matter how much I condition my hair, my ends still tend to feel really dry. The biggest indicator for me is while I'm detangling. If my hair is way more harder to detangle than usual, that's when I realize that it is time for me to get a trim. Also, if you do like braid outs and twist outs and you notice your ends are just not looking as bomb as usual, you may need a trim. So I definitely say go by your own hair and however you feel. And if you start feeling like your ends are just a little bit it's go ahead and time to trim it. And you guys already know if you have heat damage or if you're transitioning, take your time with growing your hair out and cutting it. If you're just a regular natural like me who hates trims, because I do hate trims, your hair will thank you for getting a trim. I'm so happy that I got a trim. I am already back curly, which I'll be showing you guys my straight to curly video soon, and I am loving the results from my trim. I was kind of nervous about length, but you can't really tell a big difference in my length. My hair looks super curly. It's so moisturized and it's way less harder to detangle. So as you guys can see, I'm just getting a regular trim, and honestly, I don't really know much about trimming techniques. My sister-in-law is my designated trimmer, and she's the only person I let trim my hair, the only person I let touch my hair when it comes to cutting. She trims everyone's hair in my family. She has also trimmed my natural friends and my mom's natural friends, and my mom is also natural. She cuts her hair as well, so I definitely trust her to cut my hair. So with cutting your hair, I see a lot of people do it themselves. I don't trust myself like that, so I just get someone to do it, and I'll have all her contact information down below. She is Dallas based and she does travel, and she is a licensed cosmetologist, guys. Know down in the comments, when do you feel like naturals should get trims? Do you think it's a time frame, or do you think it just depends on their hair? I hear a lot of stylists say that you should get a trim every 6 to 8 weeks, but I just honestly go by my hair and how it's feeling. Finished product, guys, I am in love. My ends feel like brand new hair, and it looks so thick and so full, and I can't wait for you guys to see it curly. That is the amount that I got trimmed off. I got about 2 inches trimmed off, and this is the finished look of the back. It looks so healthy, and I think one side is a little bit shorter than the other side just because I think my hair grows like that. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Love and blessings. Please like and comment and share this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.